Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
MLA barem jong South Tura constituency ubadai ru menta ukurtong jong sang UDP na South Tura constituency John Leslie K Sangma ula Ujor dari Ejahar persya Nongïalam jong NPP bad gi dekat jong NPP namar bakila pendan kambakla ya Jingrwai Niam ki Kristan kum ke Jingrwai Elekshon. Ujor Leslie K Sangma ula Ujor Ejahar syaki pulit ke Tura Police Station haka arho terik rumpang arjar arhulai. Hak Ejahar Ujor Leslie ula ong bagi dekat ke NPP hapok ke Nongïalam jong George Man Marak ubadai General Secretary jong ke NPP William Nagar kila penmong ye griu ngai Kristan dak ke pendan kambakla ya ni ke Jingrwai Shaman Siam. Hak jinga kren lingba ka phone bat ke Batisi TV Ujor Leslie ula ong bo umshim la Ujor kum ukurtong yele election lani kum udkhat jong no ka sengsan perthai henry ke jing Ujor jong u gadai kum wei ni ki Kristan bat udkhat jong ka Balang Baptist Church ubala ngomong bat ngok ta shisha ya jingle jong ni ki brio.
See, what is happening is if we don't take the stand today, words are coming more. So many people are saying that forgive them. Yes, I'm ready to forgive them, but then I'll have to take my Christian stand and tell them that you cannot do this.
Yes.
This is not done, and you fight politics in a political way, but please don't involve and don't demean our faith, our religion, our songs.
Yes.
This is what I want. This is the message I want to send. No?
Yes, I am.
So that is the stand I have taken as a Christian. So even in the FIR, I didn't write John Leslie, former MLA, or John Leslie UDP. I wrote John Leslie, member, Baptist Church, Tura.
Oh, okay.
So as a church distinct member only, as a Christian, I have filed a complaint.
Haka video about John Leslie ula pha cha Batisi TV dapat i bagi dekat ke NPP gilapan kelaktian ya ke Jingrwai Niam ka baong. I have decided to follow Jesus. Ni syaka kasi ka baong ngalakut jingmut ban buat yo Jisu. Handai gi dekat jang ke NPP gilarwai da ka baong. I have decided to follow NPP. Lani ngalakut jingmut ban buat ya ke NPP. Bat ki pen kamru da ka jo ka sur jang ke Jingrwai Niam.
Decided to follow NPP. We have decided to follow NPP.
NPP.
No turning back. No turning
Honret
back.
Sangma.
No turning back. No turning back. Thank you.